what's up guys, today ठीक है what's up guys, today I will show you how to design with Canva thumbnail. Okay, see, this is my thumbnail Canva account, and then you see, click here this button, create a design, and click here and search YouTube thumbnail. Okay, YouTube thumbnail, see this bar. Okay, then click here and see automatically this page. And so here for your recent use, recent use this image. Okay, that is very nice, trending and top trending videos. Okay, see this, how to design Canva. Okay, so that is okay, wait, that is big and nice, so that, okay, done. And this image not selected. Okay, select here and small this image, so again small, not small it. Okay, that is very nice. Okay, so then share button and download here. So okay, so this look here, your suggested very big nice design. Then you click here and change the text, design Canva, how to. So how to design with Canva, how to design. Okay, see this ends and back, and this is arrange and back. This side, how to design Canva. This is big, then size is nice big. Okay, how to design Canva. Okay, nice, and share button, then download button and download. Okay, simple. So guys, this video ended.